and welcome back to the Panda Clan. Today I have the Elmer's metallic slime kit that I got at Walmart. And so let's check this out. Let's pop it open. It comes with everything that you need and also the instructions on the back. So let's open it up. Comes with 2 glues. And another magical liquid. So the first thing you need to do is pour the metallic glue into the bowl. You need the whole thing. It's 5 ounces. I'm going to use blue this time. Then you need 2 teaspoons of the magic liquid. You then want to take the slime out and start kneading it. Thank you so much for watching. If I were to do it again, I would probably buy, I think the do-it-yourself one to make, although you still have to buy all the products for it, although the Elmer's box. So for the Elmer's slime kit, we came to about $14 or $15. And that comes with the Elmer's liquid and 2 Elmer's magical liquid and 2 Elmer's magical glue. Which one would you pick? Leave me a comment down below. That is it for the best kid-friendly slime. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not yet already. Please leave me a comment and a like, and I love hearing from you. I also wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. I wanted to say thank you all for your wonderful support, for watching my videos, for liking, for commenting and sharing. Thank you so much for being here with me.